a.m. this morning. What? Visibility 1/4 mile or less in dense fog. Where? Much of east central and southeast Oklahoma and northwest Arkansas. When? Until 9 a.m. Central Standard Time Monday. Impacts. Visibilities are expected to be reduced to less than 1/4 mile by the dense fog, creating hazardous driving conditions. If driving, slow down, use your low beam headlights, and leave plenty of distance ahead of you. Repeating, a dense fog advisory remains in effect until 9 a.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Oklahoma: Adair, Cherokee, Choctaw, Haskell, Latimer, LaFleur, McIntosh, Muskogee, Pittsburgh, Pushmataha, and Sequoia, and the following counties in Arkansas: Carroll, Crawford, Franklin, Madison, Sebastian, and Washington.